In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I hope that you'll be doing well. Let us discuss irregular forms of verbs. Part 1, L, and their use in sentences. Number 1 word is begin. Second form, began. Third, begun. Fourth, beginning. Sentences. I begin my work in time. He always begins preparation late, so he gets poor results. Second form, began. I began talking on the topic and concluded on a good note of advice. Third form, begun. She has begun fashion designing as her pastime. Fourth form, beginning. We are beginning a new course next week. Number 2, beat. Second form, beat. Third, beaten. Fourth, beating. Sentences. I do not like the people who beat others when they make minor mistakes. He beats his opponent in every round. They beat drums to announce the arrival of their chief. Second form, beat. He beat his dog for not following his instruction. Third form, beaten. He has beaten his dog, so it has become slow in response. Fourth form, beating. The police are beating the thieves to get their secret information. Number 3, bite. Second form, bit. Third, bitten. Fourth, biting. Sentences. Dogs don't bite their owners even if they are punished by them. Second form, bit. A dog bit the thief when he got inside the house. Third form, bitten. Mosquitoes have bitten him all the night, so he might fall ill. Fourth form, biting. He did not know in sleep that mosquitoes were biting him. Number 4, feed. Second form, fed. Third, fed. Fourth, feeding. Sentences. They feed the poor people. A mother bird feeds its babies only when they are small. Second form, fed. He fed his horse well before riding on it. Third form, fed. They have fed their parrot nothing but green chilies. Fourth form, feeding. He is feeding the animals well so that they may remain healthy. Number 5, leave. Second form, left. Third, left. Fourth, leaving. Sentences. I leave my car at home and go for a walk daily. He leaves nothing precious behind when he goes out of his house. He leaves his house earlier these days. Second form, left. He left his house in a great hurry to reach the first bus. Third form, left. They have left their luggage in the waiting lounge. Fourth form, leaving. He was mistakenly leaving some important things behind, but we reminded him to carry them along. We are leaving this place after an hour. I think this video is useful to you. If you find this useful, like this video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.